Hi. Today we discuss about the topic is transmission media. So transmission media is nothing but the data transfer from one system, one device to another device. In this data transfer, like the data is nothing but that is audio or video or combination of audio and video. So data transfer from one device to or one system to another system, like one PC to another PC or one laptop to another laptop, we are using the data transfer, we are using the transmission media. In this transmission media, it can be divided into two types. One is the guided transmission media. Second one is the unguided transmission media. Or what is the guided transmission media? The guided transmission media, it means it is a cabling system and the data transmitted travels through cabling system and that has a fixed path. That is nothing but the guided transmission media. So in this guided transmission media, we are using the copper wire and the second one is the fiber optics wires. So like totally the data transfer using cables. So in the real world, we know the cables. The first one, the best example is the telephone wire. Okay, and the second one is the dish cable. Okay, and third one is different wires. We are using the normal electrical wires also. Okay, so this is called and means it is a cabling system, the guided transmission media. Okay, now but what are the copper wires? What are the copper wires? The copper wires is one is the twisted pair cable, second one is the shielding twisted pair cabling or shielded twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, optical fiber cable. So these are the four are the copper wires. Okay, let's discuss about one by one. First one is the twisted pair cable. Or what is meant by twisted pair cable? This is a twisted pair cable. So the twisted pair cable means the most common wires used for transferring the signals. So the best example is the twisted pair cable is telephone cable is a twisted pair cable. So this one is from the right side, this is a telephonic cable. In the real world, we are using the telephonic cable. So in this telephonic cable, the signals are good performance and the low cost. Okay, and most commonly using these telephone cables, it is two or more wires laying together, so in this two and this two laying the two wires, and it can interface with each other signals, it can interface with each other to reduce the electromagnetic interface. A pair of copper wires what are twisted together to helical shape like a DNA molecule. So such twisted pair cables are called twisted pair. To reduce this interference between nearby pairs, the twist rate are different for each pair. So these are the four layers, and each layer is a laying of the 2 or 3 wires. Okay, this twisted pair cable in the real world we are seeing that is the telephone cable. This name is called a twisted pair cable. Okay, the most oldest and the popular cable in the worldwide. So majorly in this twisted cable may be low expensive and a shorter distance. So and next, entire network does not go to a part of network is damaged. So in this can be used analog and digital communication transmissions also. Okay, so but what about these twisted pair cable disadvantages? So majorly these disadvantages, the distance only 100 meters only, the distance between only 100 meters. So for example, if we using the two telephones, the telephones minimum distance device to telephone device minimum 100 meters, just like 1 kilometers. Okay, so if 1 kilometer or 100 meters above, automatically the signals dropped. So breaking or striking, that is the one of the disadvantage. And very thin cable, automatically break. If automatically break, and it cannot be travel long distance. It cannot be travel the long distance of the twisted pair cable. Okay, and the next one is a shielding twisted pair cable. So here in the shielding twisted pair cable means, so in this twisted pair cable, each cable is shielded. Each cable is shielded. Each cable is shielded. Here we are using it. So this is the screen of the twisted pair cable. A normally twisted cable. This is the shielded twisted pair cable. Here this one is the jacket. Okay, this one is a jacket, and this name is called a filler. So you know that already. A white wire that is called a filler, and these two are the cables. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the cables, and this one is a foil shield. This one is the foil shield, and all cables are insulated to the twisted conductors. Our cables are these 1, 2, 3, 4 are we are using crimping, and these cables are twisted insulated to twisted pair conductors. This shielded twisted pair cable, two types. So one is the unshielded twisted pair cable, second one is the shielded twisted pair cable. Unshielded is nothing but it is a thin line and there is no shield, but whereas the shielded twisted pair cable, it can be shielded. This is called a jacket. This jacket is nothing but a shielded. Okay, so the wire not shielded but simply and together a protective, using this cable is a protective, and it can be also a maximum length only the 100 meters, only 100 meters. Same as is the coaxial, same as is the twisted pair cable is unshielded twisted pair cable, but this cable is nothing but is only shielded cable. So the both same disadvantage of the this is also it only least expensive for short distance. Next very thin and break easily, in the twisted pair cable, but here very thick and break is not possible in the shielded twisted pair cable, and distance is greater than 100 meters only. Okay, distance is greater than 100 meters only. If otherwise 100 meters above, automatically the signals break or striking the information, right? This is the shielded twisted pair cable. And next one is a coaxial cable. So in this coaxial cable, already you know that the best example is coaxial cable. We are using the local area network, or in our home we are using the dish cable. That is nothing but a coaxial cable. This coaxial cable, already you know that. So this is called center conductor, and this white is nothing but dielectrical. This white is nothing but dielectrical, and the cable, the wire is nothing but conducting shield, and then black cable is nothing but outer jacket. This is the coaxial cable. In this coaxial cable, it is a stiff copper wire. So stiff copper wire, a stiff copper wire is there, and insulating material surrounding the core, and when these coaxial cable transmitted the signals may travel longer distance at high speeds. Okay, these are the we can be using this coaxial cable, LAN and so and so. Next is LAN and dish TVC. So in this coaxial cable, excellent noise, and the signals can travel longer. The signals can also travel longer, high speeds like 1 GB, 2 Gbps for 1 kilometer. Okay, and it can be also used to analog and data digital signals. It can be also using the analog and digital signals. It more as a installation and maintenance very easily. So installation and maintenance is very easly. Only disadvantage is more expensive compared to the twisted pair cable. Shielded twisted pair cable and unshielded twisted pair cable more expensive this coaxial cable. Okay, so in this coaxial cable, next coming to optical fiber cable. What is mean by optical fiber cable? A plastic threads used. So here the optical fiber cable, we are using this cable OFC cable. So the first one is a core, and the second one is a cladding, and this third one is a coating, and this is the strength member, and this one is the outer jacket. Outer jacket is nothing but here we are using the outer jacket, we are using the